So guys, ito yung lunch ko today. So as you can see, it's very dry. Wala man lang siyang sauce. Yes. Walang sauce, guys. Tapos yung chicken niya, ilang piraso lang. Diba? Ganun ka busy kasi sila, pero marami man silang customer. Oy. Ay, marami man silang staff. Ayan guys, walang ka sauce. Super dry. Nasaan na yung station nito? Macdo po siya. Macdo na salad. Caesar salad, yeah. So, sige nga, matikpan na lang nga natin, di ba? Sana, may lasa. Siyempre guys, wala siyang asin. Ay, asin, I mean, cherry tomato. Walang sauce. Walang sauce, McDonald's. Doncaster McDonald's. Sana, I wish you make my food a little bit decent, you know? Ako yung nahiya dito sa pagkain ko eh. Kawawa naman tong pagkain ko. Anyway, okay lang dito guys, walang sauce, healthy siya. Masarap ang cherry tomato guys. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Ayan oh. Walang hiya. What have you done to my Caesar salad? No sauce at all.